This is everything that I've crocheted this year that I haven't given away, so it's just the stuff I have left. This little tie sweater, I love it so much. I wish I would have done not as chunky as a yarn, but I still think it's so cute and I need to wear it more actually. This little heart pillow is so cute. It took me like 3 or 4 hours and it's the cutest little throw. I had a hard time connecting the colors right there for some reason, but I think I've figured that out now. And then this year I had it on my bucket list to make amigurumi and I made 3. So we have this little dragon. He's so cute. I love him. And then I also made a little golden one. She's cute too. I love her, but I gave her to my sister, so I don't have her anymore. Then we have this sweet little bunny. It's weighted, so it's kind of hard to show. It also does not have the ear yet, but it is so cute. I love it so much. And it's just like a weighted, if you haven't made a weighted crochet blanket, you should add that to your goals for next year. Weighted crochet stuffed animal, not blanket. This is probably my least favorite thing I've made this year. It's this Elle sweater. It's inspired from like Ron and Harry sweater from Harry Potter. I just hate it because I was trying to make it in 24 hours, which I don't know why like that stress on me. And also I was so nauseous making this. I literally finished it and I was like throwing up the rest of the night. So like I just have bad memories tied to it. And also it just does not look as good as I was hoping. But I do think it's cute, like theory, like I actually would totally wear a sweater with my initial on it, but the execution was very poor. This bag is one of my favorite things I've made. The checkers are so cute. I actually ran out of this. I ran out of this color and that's why the top half is different, but I think that turned out super cute. And I lined this bag, which actually makes a huge difference. And I lined it crappy, but once I learned how to line it better, my crochet bags are about to go up like huge level. So this is so cute. It was a little bit time consuming switching colors so much, but I think it was worth it. Okay. Also one of my favorite things I've made, honestly, everything is probably gonna be like my favorite things I've made. This bag is so freaking cute. I just love the colors, like such a cute beach summery tote. It's a little bit bigger than I had planned. And I think the lot die or something changed because this is the exact same brand, exact same color, completely different. So that kind of sucks, but it turned out so cute. And these bags work their way up so fast because they're all double crochet. So I really should line this one and start using it because I love it so much. I just feel like we need to get these out of the way. I've been making so many beanies lately, which is funny because literally this year was my first time ever making beanies, like my whole life. I mean, now I'm selling beanies on Etsy. So the tables have really changed. I think this is all the beanies I've made. Okay, I know nobody asked, but I'm gonna tell you guys anyways. This one is probably my favorite. Like I actually worn this one snowboarding. I think it's so cute. But from like friends and people around me, people love this one, which I think is so funny because it's like unique, but I literally made it with just my scrap yarn. And as I was making it, I was like, I do not like this. Like colors are not looking good together. But everyone's like, I love this beanie so much. So I'm like, oh, well, that's awesome. Like so funny just how people have different preferences, you know? Yeah. I also love this butter yellow one. It's just yellow is not my color. We'll do some more bags. I made 3 of these bags this year, but I gave one of them to my grandma. But these are also really fun and really quick to make. They take like 3 or 4 hours and they're like perfect little like bags. And I actually use these because since the bottom isn't mesh, like it has that, like I feel like it makes it more useful than like a typical mesh bag. You know, I love these. I'll link the tutorial I followed for these in the description. Okay, and then this is probably one of my worst things. I just like started it one night on a whim and I did not look at any instructions, and you can totally tell. It's like a tie top. I'll put a picture of it in because it should have been super cute, but I didn't follow instructions. But I do love this color. Like I've been obsessed with this red lately. So I think I might try to remake this top eventually, but maybe more in the summertime. And then this little granny square bag is so cute. This is my t-shirt yarn, and I was looking for so long for something to make my t-shirt yarn out of that would just be cute. And this is just like a little, you can wear it as a shoulder bag, but then I feel like you could also wear it as like a crossbody bag, and it's just a cute little pop of color. And then also one of my favorite things I made this year, but I have not gotten any use out of it, is this little mini skirt. I originally started this with the plan to make like a little pair of mini shorts, but then I didn't follow the instructions again, reoccurring theme. We ended up with this, but I actually think this is so cute, and it's my first time doing like scalloped edge, and I just think that turned out like adorable. And once again, this color combination, like these are my colors this year. I love this so much. I don't know, it's kind of hard to get over my butt, but it's really cute. I kind of feel like I feel like I didn't crochet that much this year because we're already coming to the end. And then I have been obsessed with scrunchies lately, specifically these big ruffly ones. They are just so cute and like Pinteresty to me. I feel like I wish I did buns more so I could use them. And there's this little pathetic scrunchie that I did for like trying to make things in under an hour challenge. but like they're so cute with the little color combo. I just love them and they're so easy, and I have a tutorial for them up on my channel. Then these, I have another tutorial for these on my channel. I've given a ton of these away because both my sisters, well, I have 3 sisters, but my sisters really like these little granny square headbands, and they're so cute and so easy. They literally take like an hour and a half to make. And like, I love this white one, like just like vintage and so cute. Those are all the ones I have left. This one's so cute. It's Taylor Swift inspired. Okay, then this top, like honestly, I'm just so embarrassed to even show this, even though I've already posted it online, so what's there to be embarrassed about? It was originally, I think, gonna be like a pillowcase, and then I was like, that's not really my vibe at all. So then I was like, what can I do with a big rectangle? So I just added a strap here, laced up the back. So that's how we ended up with this ugly top. I'll put a picture of what it looks like on, but it is just not good at all. This color combo, guys, it has me in it has a chokehold on me. This is so cute though. It's just a little granny square top, and it's a short sleeve top. I'm gonna make a tutorial for how to make a shirt like this because they're so fun and they're so cute to make. The only issue with this is it is a little bit oversized. Like, I still think it's cute, but I wish that I did it a little bit more fitted. So like once I have it perfected, then I'll make a tutorial. So stay patient for that. But I love how this turned out. And also like none of my ends are weaved in, so don't mind that. I guess while we're on the granny stitch, just a granny stitch kick, I just barely finished this sweater like a couple of days ago. And I love the light blue part. I love the white part. This part, we could have done without that part, but it's still really cute. And blocking this made it like flowy and beautiful, and like, this is my best experience steam blocking something. Every other time I've steam blocked something, it's been like the worst experience in my life and I hate it, but this actually turned out super good. Then we're almost to the last thing. This little scrap yarn sweater, I also just barely made this. It turned out so cute, and like I was saying, this is ugly, but I actually love it so much. It's just so colorful and it's like different. I obviously never would have made this except for the fact that I was trying to get rid of all my scrap yarn, but I just love it so much, and like that was really fun. And I actually love how this one lays on my body, and it's just 4 rectangles. 4 rectangles I feel like does not get enough attention when you're making a sweater. Okay, and then this, which I think is my favorite thing I've made for real, this little scoop neck shirt. It's so cute. Literally every time I wear it, I get compliments on it. I am working on a pattern for this one. I've never made a pattern though before, guys, so it is taking me a while, and also I want it to be good. And I was literally just like making this and figuring it out as I went. This top is so cute, and once again, this color, I love it. It's so cute. Like, look at the dark pair of jeans, it's just perfect. And then an honorary mention, this baby Yoda, because I thought he was really cute and he took me way longer than he should have. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I think that's everything I made this year. Obviously, we still have like a month and a half left, so I will be making more stuff. And then that'll be in my next year, what I made this year video. But yeah, pretty good year. Okay guys, side note, and I know I'm in a different outfit. If you saw anything in this video that you want to buy, comment it and I'll list it on my Etsy. But also if you don't want to buy anything, that's totally fine.